Alright folks, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a thrilling journey into the marvelous metropolis of your hair. This isn't just any city, oh no, it's a bustling, vibrant landscape of individual strands, each with its own tale to tell. But like any city, it needs its defenders, its champions, its superheroes. And that's where our mineral marvels come into play. In the grand scheme of things, alopecia is the villain of our story. It's a condition that causes hair to fall out in small patches, which can be unnoticeable until they connect. It develops when the immune system attacks the hair follicles, resulting in hair loss. Alopecia, the notorious hair napper, can cause havoc in our beautiful hair city, leaving bald patches in its wake. But fear not, for our mineral superheroes are here to save the day. Today, we're going to introduce you to 3 extraordinary mineral superheroes, each with their own unique powers, who have sworn to protect your hair city from the clutches of alopecia. They're not just your everyday minerals, they're the guardians of your hair, the defenders of your follicles, the champions of your scalp. They have the power to reverse alopecia and restore hair loss, bringing back the glory of your hair city. So, are you ready to embark upon this hair-raising adventure? Are you prepared to witness the epic battle between our mineral superheroes and the villainous alopecia? Are you excited to learn how these minerals can help restore peace and prosperity to your hair city? If your answer is a resounding yes, then hold on tight, because we're about to dive headfirst into this exciting journey. Remember, every great story needs an eager audience, and that's where you come in. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride as we unravel the mysteries of these mineral superheroes and their fight against alopecia. Let's get this adventure started. 1. Iodine. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gather around as we introduce our first superhero in the battle against hair loss. Meet iodine, the mighty mineral, the guardian of thyroid hormones and the champion of hair health. Picture iodine as a caped crusader, swooping in to keep your body's estrogen levels balanced. Too much estrogen running amok without our hero can lead to a series of unfortunate events, such as cysts on the ovaries, fibrocystic breasts, and even nodules on the thyroid gland. But don't fret, for iodine is here to save the day. Our hero iodine is not just a one-trick pony. No. This mineral marvel is a master of many talents. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the mineral world, always ready to spring into action whenever your body needs it. Iodine is essential for the production of thyroid hormones, which play a crucial role in everything from metabolism to hair growth. When iodine is in short supply, your thyroid can't produce enough of these hormones, and that's when things start to go haywire. But where does one find this superhero, you ask? Well, iodine is a bit of a sea creature, preferring to hang out in the ocean's depths. You can find it in seafood, sea salt, and sea kelp. So if you're a fan of sushi, congratulations! You're already on your way to getting your daily dose of this hair-saving hero. However, every superhero has its nemesis, and for iodine, it's the dastardly trio of fluoride, chloride, and bromine. These villains are notorious for interfering with iodine's absorption, trying to thwart our hero's good work. They're like the pesky villains in a comic book, always popping up when they're least wanted. But don't worry, with a bit of vigilance, you can keep these villains at bay. To keep our hero iodine strong and active, you need about 200 micrograms daily. That might sound like a lot, but remember, we are talking about a superhero here. And just like any superhero, iodine doesn't need a ton of fuel to keep going. Just a small amount is enough to keep this mineral marvel fighting fit and ready to protect your hair. 2. Zinc. Alright folks, let's zoom in on our next superhero, the mighty zinc, the guardian of the immune system. Picture zinc as a caped crusader, swooping in to keep your immune system from turning into a villain and causing autoimmune diseases. This hero isn't just about defense though. It's also a master builder, working tirelessly to construct and fortify your hair. Zinc is like that friend who's always got your back, especially when it comes to your immune system. It's the one standing guard, ensuring that your immune system doesn't go rogue and start causing chaos in the form of autoimmune diseases. But zinc isn't just about defense. It's also a master builder, working tirelessly to construct and fortify your hair. It's like the architect of a city, meticulously planning and building to ensure everything is strong and sturdy. And in this case, the city is your hair. Zinc is there, making sure each strand is strong, healthy, and firmly rooted. Now, every superhero has its source of power, and for zinc, it's meat, fish, and eggs. These are like the power stations, fueling up our hero so it can continue its vital work. So if you want to keep this superhero fighting fit, make sure you're getting enough of these in your diet. But just like in any good superhero story, there's a villain lurking in the shadows. In this case, it's the villainous cereal, with its sneaky phytates that block zinc. It's like the dastardly villain who sets up roadblocks and traps, trying to stop our hero in its tracks. But don't worry, forewarned is forearmed. Now that you know about this villain, you can take steps to avoid it and keep our hero Zinc in action. So, how much of this superhero do you need in your daily life? Well, to keep this hero in action, aim for about 50 milligrams of zinc daily. It might not sound like much, but remember, superheroes often pack a punch that's much bigger than their size. But remember, even superheroes need a little help sometimes. That's where you come in. By ensuring you get the right amount of zinc, you're like the trusty sidekick, providing the support our hero needs to keep doing its vital work. 3. Selenium. Alright folks, let's roll out the red carpet for our final mineral superhero, the one and only selenium. This isn't just any ordinary superhero. Oh no, selenium is the balancer of proteins, the guardian of your hair color, and the defender against alopecia. But like any good superhero story, there's a twist. Selenium is a bit like Goldilocks. It needs to be just right. Too little or too much, and you might find yourself in a hairy situation. Now let's dive deeper into the world of selenium. This superhero is involved in a whopping 35 different proteins. Imagine selenium as a maestro, orchestrating a symphony of proteins in your body. Each protein plays a different instrument, contributing to the harmonious symphony that keeps your body functioning smoothly. But without our maestro, the symphony descends into chaos. That's why selenium is so crucial. It ensures that each protein is playing its part, keeping your body's symphony in perfect harmony. One of the key roles of our maestro is to prevent the graying of hair. Picture selenium as a tiny artist, painting each strand of hair with its unique color. Without enough selenium, our artist might run out of paint, leading to graying hair. But with the right amount of selenium, our artist can keep on painting, maintaining the vibrant color of your hair. But that's not all. Selenium is also a defender against alopecia. With its protein balancing powers, selenium can keep alopecia at bay, ensuring your hair stays right where it should be, on your head. However, like Goldilocks, selenium needs to be just right. Too little selenium, and our maestro can't conduct a symphony, leading to graying hair and alopecia. Too much selenium, and our maestro becomes overwhelmed, which can also lead to hair loss. That's why it's crucial to get just the right amount of selenium. So, where can you find this superhero? Well, selenium is a bit of a homebody, preferring to hang out in Brazil nuts. Just one Brazil nut a day is enough to keep alopecia at bay and ensure your hair stays vibrant and healthy. But remember, just one. We don't want to overwhelm our maestro. So there you have it, folks. The story of the 3 mineral superheroes that are fighting to reverse alopecia and restore hair loss. Remember, every superhero needs a sidekick, and in this case, that's you. By ensuring you get the right amounts of these minerals, you're helping them in their fight to keep your hair healthy and strong. So let's join forces with these superheroes and say goodbye to hair loss. Before we wrap up, my dear viewers, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more informative and playful content like this. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos that are packed with tips, tricks, and fascinating insights to help you lead a healthier and happier life. And that's a wrap. Stay tuned for more hair-raising adventures in the world of health and wellness. Until then, keep your hair strong, your minerals balanced, and your spirits high.